Let's just get it out there. Cleaning a catalytic converter with gasoline is one of those dirty secrets people toss around in car forums, like drinking pickle juice for cramps. You'll get dramatic success stories and also warnings you can't unsee. The pitch goes like this. Your car is sluggish, the check engine light flickers on, and suddenly your cousin's friend swears that soaking the cat in gasoline will melt all the gunk right off. After all, people want results, not a lecture about emissions. But here's the kicker most folks miss. Gasoline is, well, gasoline. It's incredibly flammable, like blow up your backyard flammable if you're not careful. So pain point 1. A bad move can literally torch your driveway just for the hope of a smoother ride. If you're really set on trying this, start with safety first. You need goggles, thick gloves, and a workspace well away from anything you'd miss if it disappeared in a fireball. That means no garages full of cardboard boxes. And keep pets, kids, or, honestly, yourself out of harm's way. Step by step, the method is simple but risky. First, take out the catalytic converter from your exhaust system. There's no safe way to do this on the car. You'll need a socket set, penetrating oil, and if you're unlucky, a lot of cursing. Set the cat in a metal bucket or sturdy steel tray. Pro tip, do not use plastic unless you want a chemistry experiment that ends badly. Pour enough gasoline to submerge just the honeycomb part. Don't drown the whole shop. Let it soak for a few hours, agitating the gasoline by gently sloshing or swirling it around periodically. The idea is that carbon and debris will loosen and float free. It's kind of satisfying, I admit, seeing that black liquid proof of years of I'll do it next weekend neglect. Now's the moment most people get wrong. Once you remove the cat, let it drain completely. Ideally, for several hours in the open air. Any gasoline fumes left inside equals bad news. We're talking serious fire risk on reinstall. You can rinse the cat with clean water to push out any lingering gunk, but make sure it's bone dry before handling or reinstalling. Moisture and gasoline fumes are not friends with engines or, your health. Then reinstall everything, making sure all bolts go back nice and tight. Double-check your seals. It's embarrassing and tragic to fix a power loss only to code a new exhaust leak. Some mechanics swear by new gaskets every time, and honestly, it's decent insurance. So did it work? Sometimes yes. Clogged converters can see a 10 to 30% improvement in flow, and the check engine fairy disappears. But sometimes the honeycomb has melted or cracked anyway, and then you're just out a cat and a lot of nerves. Still, here's the ugly truth. All of this can save you $500 to $1,000 compared to buying a new converter, but gasoline cleaning isn't a magic fix. Nothing replaces actual diagnosis. Is your problem even the cat in the first place? For my fellow Portlanders, or anyone in the Pacific Northwest, keep the environmental impact in mind. Gasoline runoff, hazardous fumes, these aren't just personal risks. We love our trees and air, so maybe save this hack for a desperate last resort, not regular maintenance.